Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a group in Gmail. So let's get right into it. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, head over to Google Contacts. You can get there by clicking on the Google Apps icon at the top right corner of the screen and selecting Contacts. In the Google Contacts, click on the plus symbol next to the labels option on the left hand side. This is essentially what groups are called here. Type the name you want for your group. Let's name ours Team Awesome. Then hit save. Now to add contacts to your group, check the boxes next to the names from your contact list. Once you have selected all the contacts you want, click on the label icon at the top and select the group you just created and hit apply. Now let's test it out by sending a quick email. Let's go back to our Gmail inbox, refresh the page, simply begin typing Team Awesome in the recipient box of a new email. Gmail will automatically suggest the entire group for you. Just select it, compose your email as usual and hit send. And that's it. You have successfully created group in Gmail, which helps to streamline how you manage and send your emails, especially if you're dealing with lot of contacts. Try it out and let me know how it goes. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.